Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to non-native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, you can email me here at ustazmahmood184@gmail.com. Today, inshallah, we're going to learn how to say in Arabic, I've never. How to say I've never in Arabic language. And before we start our lesson, please guys don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel. And if you could share this video with your friends, I'll be really grateful for this because this really helps me a lot. Thank you. And let's see an example. I've never met him. I've never met him. How to say this sentence in Arabic language? Well, we say لم يسبق لي مقابلته. لم يسبق لي مقابلته. لم يسبق لي means I've never. Okay. مقابلته met him. لم يسبق لي مقابلته. I've never met him. So I've never means لم يسبق لي. لم يسبق لي, and after it you add مصدر. مصدر, the noun of the verb, the noun that comes from the verb. مصدر. So let's see this example. I've never seen the pyramids. I've never seen the pyramids. So first we need to put لم يسبق لي. لم يسبق لي. I've never. Okay, seen the pyramids. رؤية الأهرامات. رؤية seen the pyramids الأهرامات. لم يسبق لي رؤية الأهرامات. Okay. Or next example. I've never traveled in a plane. I've never traveled in a plane. So first we put لم يسبق لي. لم يسبق لي رؤية الأهرامات. Traveled in a plane. السفر بالطائرة. السفر traveled بالطائرة in a plane. لم يسبق لي السفر بالطائرة. Okay. And the last sentence. I've never been to the theater. I've never been to the theater. So first we put لم يسبق لي. لم يسبق لي الذهاب إلى المسرح. Been to the theater. لم يسبق لي الذهاب been to إلى the theater المسرح. لم يسبق لي الذهاب إلى المسرح. So لم يسبق لي means I've never. Okay, and after it you add مصدر, the noun that comes from the verb. لم يسبق لي رؤية الأهرامات. لم يسبق لي السفر بالطائرة. لم يسبق لي الذهاب إلى المسرح. And that's the end of our lesson today. I hope it's useful for you, inshallah. If you have any question, please write in the comment and I will reply to you. Don't forget to make dua for me and for my family. Thank you, and I see you in other lessons, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.